So I'm gonna pair you with Mr. T, and then I'm gonna pair you with him, and then you two. Here's the key takeaways, right? Being uncomfortable is okay, right? Making a mess is okay, right? But the key thing is starting now, right? You might have felt like you weren't ready, which is good, right? Good designers start before they're ready. To your point, right? It's okay. Like, you're starting now, and you start when you're not ready. Remember, like this feeling. And remember it again when you get into different situations, right? Because I know that work pressure, bills, or it kind of like gets to you, and you want to sort of try and rush things. And you forget this fun part of saying, if I am going to do UX design properly, if I am going to go engage in communities I've never engaged with, how will I approach it?